Now it will start generating. There you go. So you add, and there is a fish or even a parrot dialogue. So I want to add a multiple dialogue. So first, confronts a drive something you want to create, you can simply do that. If you are still struggling to create a perfect Sora to prompt, then this video is for you. In this video, you are going to learn how to create prompt for any use case within seconds. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do hit that subscribe button. It'll boost our morale to post more videos like this. I've built this tool called Sora 2 prompt generator. You can simply find that on Copyrocket.ai/Sora 2 prompt generator. And here you will find settings you need to fill to create a perfect prompt for your videos. First, we will be creating a documentary style video of a Statue of Liberty, and the first option is about API control. You don't need to touch that unless you are sending a request using API. So we will be using the FAL AI. Second is the creative intent. So this is where your prompting starts. First is the style, static genre era. Style of the video will be the documentary, because we are creating a documentary shot of Statue of Liberty in 1970s. So I will say 1970s documentary. That's it. Style, you can say. There is a mood and tone, and here I will add this as a cinematic. And if you are losing inspiration to words for these, I will be creating a prompt book which you can find on promptslab.com. So do check that out, and there you will be finding all the aesthetics, keywords, and how your video can look using these particular keywords. So this is the mood and tone, and next is the genre and era. Genre will be documentary. And now coming forward to the world and subjects. So here you can add locations. So I will add the Statue of Liberty in 1970s. The time of the day, I want it to be noon. Weather and atmosphere, you can add cloudy, sunny, or rainy. So I will be adding the rainy here, and light to give it a more effect. You can add the name of the subject or the role of the subject, description, what is that subject doing, wardrobe you can add, and the props like a coffee mug or something like that. I will be adding the subject as people walking around with umbrella. I won't be adding the wardrobe and props. I will add one more subject, and to create more subject, just click on the add subject, and here I will dog pass. So this is the continuity notes. For example, if you want something to be continuously flowing in your video, for example, leaves falling or glitch effect or something, then you need to add this to here. So there's a negative cue that you don't want anything in your video. For example, avoid signage, no text. So I don't want that here. Now coming forward to the cinematography, and here it's all about the framing, the camera shot, the type of camera lenses. These are all technical details, but if you don't know about it, don't worry about it. So here it is a camera shot. I want a medium wide shot. So depth of the field, I want a sharp on subject. So the camera in motion, moving slowly towards left. So I just want the camera to move towards the left. So this is about the camera motion. Now it's about the action and timing. For the first few seconds, you want your subject to do this, and next do that. So you can add that here. You can add a number of beats here, but I don't want that here in this particular example, but we will be doing that later. So here is the background sounds. I want rain, lightning sound to it. Now lighting and colors. So we are creating a documentary style video, so we don't need a lighting or a color, but we will keep it minimal, black and white. So if you want some colors in your video, you can simply add that here, or give it a atmosphere of the video you want as a color. Sora will pick that up. So the remix changes with the references. If you want to create a video, you can add that here. For example, if you want to change the color of the shirt or something like that, you can simply add that here. Now coming forward to the last is dialogues. So we don't have a dialogue, we have a speaker, so who's narrating the documentary. Here are people walking in rain to see Statue of Liberty. So this is narrator, man. I will add that as a, that's it. So just click on generate. Now it will start generating. There you go. So you got detailed prompt here. Okay, so the prompt is optimized for Sora specifically. So this is the cinematography, actions, dialogue as well, but if you're using the API, you can simply use this as your parameters. So let me copy this and that here. So I will be using the file not using the pro version of the Sora. I will be using the text to video, not to eat so much of a credit. For per second, it costs around 0.1 second and it will create a 720p. But for the pro, it costs around $50 per second, which will cost my pocket a lot. But this one is actually quite cheap and better. So here is the resolution. I want 720p. Now this will be a wide or it can be vertical, but I want it to be a wide because it's documentary. But if I want to post that on my social media, it will be 9:16. So let it be 16:9, and in the next video we'll create about 9:16 anyway. So the duration will be about 8 seconds. So this 4 seconds will be lower if I want to convey a message in my video, and the most you can do is 12 seconds. Let's click on run, and there you go. Let me just play this.
Here are people walking in rain to see the Statue of Liberty.
And there's a dog which we added as a subject. You can even see the lightning and the rain sound. So this is something you can create easily using this particular prompt. The next is the most viral videos on Instagram, like a police confronting a different type of subjects. For example, the dog here, there is a cat and there is a fish or even a parrot. They confront them for the violation and it just speed away. So if you want to create something like that, we will be using this particular prompt generator. So let's go ahead, and we don't need an API control. So first is the style. So style will be police body cam footage. Okay, so the mood and the tone which you want to include is police confronts drive, asking registry and license, like that. And this generator will be realistic and a theme purpose. So here police confronts a driver, which is a goat, asking for registration and license. After questions, speed, it runs away, like that. So this is the theme and purpose. So this is basically your prompt you want to include into your video. So this is the word and subject which we have already written here. So first is the location. I will say empty road on side of New York, and time of the day will be evening, sunset. So the weather is warm like normal. Okay, now here comes the subject. So first will be a drive, goat on driver seat. So I don't think it need any wardrobe or something. And if you want to add a car model or something, you have an option of the props. So here, driving a Toyota Camry car, light gray color. So there's a negative cues. If you want to add something like no signage, no corporate branding or something like that, you can simply add it, but I don't want this, so it will stay like this. And now going to the cinematography, the camera shot will be body cam footage. It's a bit of, I think it will get the point. So depth of the field, sharp on field. There's a lens set filtration. I don't want to add this because it's say, and the camera motion, I want to let the AI play with it. This is something you can add. You go ahead and add this, but this I don't think you need to add. So this is the action and timing. So the first is walk towards driver and asks for registration and license, please. Then add 3 seconds. Found out it's a goat, like that. You can add also. So here you can, after a minute, after some 6 seconds, and away, accelerate car and away in hurry to get rid of police. So these are the actions and timings you need to add this here. So nothing else you need to add. So background sound, you don't need to add any background sound, but you can simply add a police siren, low background, like that. And there's a lighting and color. Lighting description will be body cam footage quality. So the palette color, I don't want to add the palette color. So even note the remix change as well. Now going forward to the dialogue. So I want to add a multiple dialogue. So first is license plate, police. Oh, there's a go driving, like that. And the last line is 6. Oh wait, get him, because it's just 2 seconds. Get him, something like, oh shit. I don't think it allows the profanity. Let's see. So let's create a prompt. Just click on generate prompt. So you will get this detailed prompt here. I will copy this and paste that here. I will just choose the 9:16 for this, 8 seconds long, and click on play. And there you go. We have got our video. Let me just play that here.
Registration and license, please. Oh, it's a goat driving.
So this is something you want to create. You can simply do that using our prompt generator here. If you had liked something from this video, do let me know in the comment box, and let me know what you are going to create. Let me know if there is a room for improvement for this particular tool. We've optimized that accordingly. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.